Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw another Cuphead boss in its knocked out form, and this time it's gonna be Cagney Carnation. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so to draw this, we're gonna draw his eyes first. So this is gonna be a little oval on the side. Okay, and then on the inside, we're gonna draw just another little curve like this. Okay, and then now we're gonna draw in the rest of the face. So right here, we just curve down a little bit. And then here, we're just gonna continue up. And then we're gonna stop and we're gonna come up and draw his nose. It's gonna be hooked. And then we're gonna come back down. Okay, I know it's a little bit odd. Come out, and then now we're gonna come down. This is gonna be his mouth. Okay, and then on his eyes here, I give a little bit of wrinkle and bag. And here, let me just shade it in so we can see a little bit better. Okay, and then from here, let's draw in his teeth. So right here, we're just gonna go 1. It's gonna be almost 4. Just kind of wiggle back and forth. Okay, and then from here, now let's draw just some guidelines right here. This is actually gonna be the petals. So we're gonna come down 1, and then we're gonna draw another one. That's 2, and then we're gonna go up for 3, and then we're just gonna draw one little curve like this. I know it's a little bit strange, but we'll get there once we put everything together. Okay, so from here, now let's draw in his tongue. So we're just gonna come up, just kind of wiggle back and forth. And now we're gonna come back down, just give it some thickness, and we can make the bottom a little bit thicker. And then right here is gonna be his mouth, the bottom part. And now we can finish off the mouth. So right here, we're just gonna come down, and then we're gonna come across. Okay, and then right here on the other teeth on the other side. So 1, 2, and 3. And to show it better, I'll shade this in real quick so you guys can see a little bit better. I know sometimes it gets a little bit confusing when it's just a lot of lines, right? So this is the inside of the mouth. Okay, all right, so that looks better. Yeah, it's pretty wicked looking. Okay, so now we're gonna draw the petals. We can actually start, well, let's start on this one, right at the mouth area first. So we're gonna come down, just kind of give it a little bit of wiggle. So we're gonna come down and just taper it in to the edge, to the very tip. Okay, from here, let's draw another one. And then here, tip. And then this one's gonna be the longest one. And come down, wiggle, tip. Let's connect that. That's 3. On this one, we're gonna come over. And then on the other side, we're gonna come down. So just kind of wiggle a little bit. Back to the tip. Okay, so, and then for the details, so this one's easy, just kind of follow the curves. Start off on the edge, just kind of pinch it in. Okay, and then one more. There's more petals on the back, but we'll draw the body first before we get to that. All right, so now we're gonna draw the body, so we're just gonna come down right here. Let's draw one curve. And this is actually gonna be, I guess you can call it the tummy curve. Just gonna go down. Okay. And then from here, let's draw the arm. So we're gonna go one big curve and then another one. This is to finish off the arm. And then here, we're drawing these little, this is going into the dirt, so we'll just draw like little mounds of dirt right there. Okay, and then for the body on the other side, on the back side, we're gonna start from right here. Just gonna come down, just curve in like this. So now we're gonna draw in the mound, the dirt mound, for his whole body. Okay, so it's very simple. And then let's see, the body's got some, again, dual tone here, so it's gonna be another line, and this is gonna be slightly different color. And then on this as well, and we'll see that better once I color it in. And then right here, let's draw in one of the little leaf. Line through. And then he's gonna have, he's got some vines, right? So we're gonna, and this is gonna come across the body, go around it. I'm gonna make this a little bit thicker so we can actually see it. It's a little bit confusing. I'm just making it black, okay? And now we can finish off the petals on the back side. Curve, curve. From here to here, there's another one on the back, and then one more right here. And now let's finish it off. She's got a little bit, some spikes. So just draw a couple. And that's it for this Cagney carnation in its knocked out form. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up and share the video if you can, and I will see you next time.